Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's crucial for every website owner out there. How to know if your site is malware infected. Malware can be a nightmare for website owners, causing harm to your visitors, damaging your reputation, and even getting your site blacklisted by search engines. But fear not, because in this video, I'll show you some telltale signs to help you identify if your website has fallen victim to malware. First things first, let's talk about the most obvious sign your website behaving strangely. Have you noticed any sudden slowdowns, unusual pop-ups, or redirects to sketchy websites? These are red flags that your site might be infected. But wait, there's more. Let's delve deeper into the signs of a malware-infected website. Whiteboard animation of various icons representing different malware signs. One common indicator is changes in your website's appearance or functionality. If your site starts displaying strange content, such as unknown ads or links, or if you notice unauthorized modifications to your files or code, it's time to investigate. Keep an eye out for unexplained spikes in traffic or unusual activity in your website analytics. Malware can drive fake traffic to your site, or even worse, steal sensitive information from your visitors. Another sign to watch out for is the presence of strange links or ads that you didn't place on your website. These could be injected by malware to redirect your visitors to malicious sites or to generate revenue for cybercriminals. Now, let's talk about security warnings. If you or your visitors start receiving warnings from browsers or antivirus software about your website being unsafe, don't ignore them. These warnings are often triggered by malware or phishing attempts. Your website may also get blacklisted by search engines like Google if it's infected with malware. This can seriously harm your site's reputation and traffic. Regularly check Google Search Console for any security issues reported for your site. Alright, now that you know the signs of a malware-infected website, let's talk about how to prevent and fix it. Firstly, regularly scan your website for malware using security tools like Sucuri, WordFence, or Norton Safe Web. These tools can help you detect and remove malware before it causes serious damage. Next, keep your website software, themes, and plugins up to date. Outdated software is a common target for hackers to exploit vulnerabilities and inject malware. Implement security measures like SSL certificates to encrypt data transmission and protect your visitors' information. Also, consider using website firewalls to block suspicious traffic and prevent malware infections. Lastly, educate yourself and your team about cybersecurity best practices. Train them to recognize phishing attempts, avoid suspicious links, and keep passwords secure. And there you have it, folks. By being vigilant and taking proactive measures, you can keep your website safe from malware infections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on website security and digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe online.